Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C7. This is a one bedroom, one bath, updated apartment unit on the second floor in the St. Andrews, Broad River area of Northwest Columbia. So we're inside the unit. You can see there are updated luxury vinyl plank floors throughout. I believe the only place they're not is in the bathroom, which has tile. But we're inside the open floor plan. That is the front door, the door to the hall that you can see there right off of the entry. As well, there is a coat closet there conveniently. And then you have a nice sized living room, a couple big windows letting in some natural light that looks out over some common area space at the back of this building. It's the only building that, the C building is the only building that has that. So you have a nicer view out back. Again, the flooring, and then you can see that the living room is open to the kitchen, which has a counter bar. I'm not sure if you can see, there is an overhang there, so you can have a couple of stools there. And the kitchen itself has included white appliances. There is a refrigerator, electric stove, as well as the dishwasher. And then you can see that it's open. Also, you have a door that closes this off from the laundry room, which you can see here. So you have washer dryer connections in here. Looks like they're split for full-size machines. And you have some nice shelving in there as well. And then you have one bedroom, which is a very nice size. As you can see, also faces the rear. And you can see the closet on the opposite wall here, behind the door. So nice size closet with bifold doors. You can see, of course, that floor continues into here, but you do have some nice ceramic tile here in the bathroom. You have a single sink and nice size countertop in there. And then you have a tiled shower and tub, as you can see back here as well. So that completes our tour of this neat unit here in Northwest Columbia at 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C7. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.